3, 2.
Hi, my name is Melanie Preston, and I am here at the I See My Baby 2024 conference for She Deserves. And I'm actually here as one of the speakers, but the experience has been so much more. First of all, we're in this gorgeous castle, and it really is a castle. The pictures, the videos, it really doesn't do it justice. And so I have been refreshed, I'm renewed. Like I said, I came as a speaker, but I ended up also being an attendee, and it was one of the best things ever. It has been a safe space for women to come, to be poured into, and I am really, really hopeful that you will join us this time, well, next year. So I'm really hoping to see you. Bye.
Perfect. That was excellent.